Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. You have to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. First of all, just go to the search bar and type your services and then click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to find out the radio management services. You have to just press R from your keyboard and you will get the list of the services start from the R. Then here it is, right click on it, select properties and make sure you have to just right click on it and click on start. So this service should be running, and after that go to network, type space N, and again make sure these services should be running automatically. So right click on it, select properties, go to the startup type as automatic, select apply and click on start the services and click on OK. So network connection services is running right now, and close this window. In the next step, just go to search bar, type here CMD, then right click on it, select run as administrator and select as. So now here we need to execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and we will press enter to execute these all commands. So firstly we need to type in netsh space winsock reset and hit enter, and then type in netsh winsock reset CATALOG and hit enter. Then type in netsh int IP reset log.txt and hit enter. Okay, just a second. int IP reset space reset log.txt. Okay, there we go. Now we need to execute the next command, that will be ipconfig space / release and hit enter. Now type in ipconfig space / renew and hit enter. So this will take some time to complete the process, and once done we will move to the next command, that will be ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit enter, and then at the end type in exit and close the command prompt window. Now in the last step we will go to the device manager, so right click on the start icon and click on device manager, and once we are here we have to expand the network adapter. So find out, here it is, right click on the particular device, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update driver. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection, so click on search automatically for your drivers and the best drivers will be installed automatically. Now close all windows one by one and just restart the system. Please check out the pinned comment, that will gonna help you a lot to fix this issue. So yeah, like the video and please do subscribe the channel.